Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance with Shiva, powered by thrivelab.ca. We're all about real advice for real Canadians, helping you build your brand and your financial future. Today, let's talk about that mysterious number that follows you around, your credit score. Ever applied for a credit card or tried renting an apartment and heard, "We need to check your credit"? Yeah, that score matters. So let's demystify it. Your credit score is a number between 300 and 900, and it's basically your financial report card. The higher the score, the more lenders trust you. What makes up your score? Here are 5 key factors that shape it. Payment history. Are you paying bills on time? Credit utilization. Are you using less than 30% of your available credit? Length of credit history. How long have you had credit? Types of credit. A mix of credit cards, loans, etc. Recent inquiries. How often are you applying for new credit? Who's tracking your score? In Canada, it's mainly Equifax and TransUnion. You can request a free report from them annually. Pro tip: make it part of your yearly financial check-in. Your credit report shows past borrowing, missed payments, and open accounts. But don't worry, your score isn't permanent. You can improve it. How to boost your score? Here are simple but powerful tips. Always pay on time. Even minimum payments help. Keep your usage below 30%. Avoid too many new credit applications. Keep old accounts open, if fee-free. Monitor your report regularly for errors. If you ever spot mistakes on your report, dispute them right away. A clean report makes a world of difference. Final thoughts. Credit isn't just about borrowing, it's about trust. Building that trust takes time, habits, and some smart moves. This is your financial reputation. Guard it like you would your resume. It's what opens doors to mortgages, car loans, and even job opportunities. If this video helped you feel more confident about your credit score, hit that like button, subscribe, and head to thrivelab.ca for tools that help you build both your brand and your bank account. Contact me today to book a personalized consultation for insurance and investment plans tailored to your unique goals and lifestyle. Let's build your wealth and protect what matters most. Contact details are in video description. I'll see you in the next episode where we break down the Canadian tax system. It's simpler than you think once I explain it.